and welcome to the Yes Option Weekly Analysis. My name is Cassandra Noy, and here's the latest for Sunday, the 27th of April. Escalating tensions in the Ukraine underpinned safe haven demands for investors on Friday as Washington threatened to extend sanctions on Russia. This came after a risk-on sentiment swept U.S. and European markets buoyed by positive data and strong company earnings reports. Last week saw U.S. durable goods data beat expectations, and the Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index rose to a 9-month high in its second highest reading in over 7 years. This boosted U.S. stocks, which enjoyed a 4 out of 5 day winning streak and saw the S&P 500 close higher for the 9th week of the year. However, it wasn't all good news as Chinese growth remains disappointing, with the flash HSBC PMI under 50 for a 5th consecutive month and the yuan at a 16-month low. In Europe, ECB President Mario Draghi reiterated warnings that the strong euro could trigger further monetary easing. This kept gains in the euro in check and ensured the euro-dollar closed lower for a second week running. While in New Zealand, interest rates were raised by 0.25% with a warning of further rate rises ahead, possibly in June. This sparked the Kiwi to rise to a 2.5-year high against the US dollar. In the commodity markets, geopolitical tensions in the Ukraine supported gold prices, which saw a 0.45% gain for the week, making it 13 out of 17 for weekly gains so far this year. Silver ended the week nearly 0.5% up too, as traders looked for a safe haven investment outside of the volatility in stocks and currencies. Copper rallied 2.72% for the week on speculation that demand in China, the world's largest consumer of the industrial metal, will strengthen in the near term. Crude oil closed nearly 3% lower at a 3-week low on the back of record high supply levels in the U.S., now rising in 13 of the last 14 weeks. This underlines concerns over a slowdown in demand from the world's largest oil consumer. So, what's in store for the week ahead? Investors will be focusing on events in the Ukraine as well as Friday's U.S. jobs report for April and the outcome of the Federal Reserve's 2-day policy meeting on Wednesday. Wednesday also sees the Eurozone's preliminary April inflation report, which we expect will trigger strong selling in the euro, making put options there a good profit opportunity. We predict crude oil prices to continue falling as supply levels show no signs of decreasing, making put options on oil a sound investment. Now that we are almost halfway into the U.S. earnings season, the focus will likely shift to European companies, and the bulls will be hoping to see a similar pattern there too. Barring a heavy escalation in the Ukraine, call options on European indices should prove profitable choices throughout the week. Remember, at Yes Option, making call and put options can generate returns of up to 89% in as little as 60 seconds every trade. So start profiting today. That's all from me, Cassandra Noy. Be sure to tune in same time, same place for the latest Yes Option weekly analysis.